Alright, and do a interior video tour. My dealer plate down. Brand new vent here. Super clean rig. This is the antenna. It goes up and down for your TV, old school, but it functions perfect. Antenna goes up and down. That functions fine, just water pressure is low. Pump works. Fresh water level is low, we haven't filled up the tank. That functions. That function right here. The stove has never been used, but it functions. The propane tank works. Microwave. Lights. There you go. This one's a little. There we go. That works. That functions as well. This bulb is out. Replace that. Just put some more water in the pump. That functions. Shower. Functions as well. Restroom. Functions as well. Super clean interior. I guess you could put a TV over here because there's a spot for the antenna and plug. Outlets work. Little cupboard. No stains. I think this turns into a fold-out bed. Something I guess arrange. Might be easier to do it with one hand or two hands. There we go. And these seatbelts are movable, adjustable if you move them. A little porch light works out here as well. What else? Yeah, this is a really nice setup. Great for a family of four or a couple traveling.